channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. My makeup is obviously not completely done yet, and that's because today we are going to be testing out, reviewing and testing out the new Maybelline Falsies mascara. Okay, so it's not completely brand new. What I mean by new is that it's new to me because I haven't had the chance to try it out. So what I'm talking about is the Maybelline Falsies Surreal Extensions mascara. It took forever to get my hands on this mascara because every time I went to the store, it'd be completely cleared out. I guess everyone was running out to get it because this did go like, it did become like a very hot sensation. I don't know. That, and because number two, I always get waterproof mascara. So you can see here, this is the waterproof one. I believe like the first two times that I went to the store, the shelves were completely clear out of this mascara. So I didn't know if they had the waterproof one. By the time the third and fourth time came around of looking for the mascara, I can only find the one that was not waterproof. I need waterproof mascara. Let me explain just real quick. If I use a mascara that's not waterproof, doesn't matter how well I curl my lashes, I can put them up with my, like push them up like this, and they still will go down. It doesn't hold the curl. So that's the reason why I need waterproof mascara. Besides the fact that I do want my makeup to last, whether I sweat, get wet, it rains, or whatever. But just the fact that my eyelashes don't hold the curl with non-waterproof mascara, I just know. I'm so happy to finally have this and test it out. I know there's probably millions of videos of talking about this mascara already, but I want to do it, so I'm gonna do it. If you've been with me long enough, or if you know me really well, you know I've always been a fan of Maybelline mascara. I cannot like tell you enough. I will never stop recommending Maybelline to people because when people ask me what mascara you're using, I will 100% always tell them and recommend Maybelline. But I do have my favorites of Maybelline, and I've tried other brands, everything from drugstore to high-end, and I will always go back to my Maybelline. In my collection currently, you can clearly see I have a lot. I have 7 mascaras, but out of these 7 mascaras, all of them are Maybelline except for one, which is this one right here. And you might be wondering, why do I have so many mascaras? I like to, it's gonna sound super weird, but I feel like my eyelashes get bored of using the same mascara over and over again. I just find that my eyelashes do better when I like switch out my mascara, so I can be using, well, apart from the fact that I usually use a combination of 2, so what I've been doing lately is these 2. I like to use a lengthening one and then a voluminous one. This has been my go-to combination as of lately, but this one is already like, my eyelashes, I feel like they're getting bored of this one, that or it's already like running out, I don't know. But sometimes I'll go in with this lengthening mascara and this combo, or sometimes I'll do this lengthening and this volume mascara. Like, it just depends really. I think that's enough talking, and let's get to actually this mascara, because this is gonna be the new one in my collection, and I hope it's a good one. I hope it's my new favorite. I'm gonna read some of the claims that this mascara has. I'm sure you've read them before, heard them before, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. It does claim here to have a plus 36% length surreal impact, so it's supposed to be giving your eyelashes more length, and it is the hybrid fiber technology. Those fibers are giving your eyelashes that extension. It does have an extended flexible brush. It says up to 24-hour wear, smudge resistant, flake resistant, and smear resistant. So we're gonna apply it, see how it applies, see how I like it, see how they look, and then wear it throughout the day now. And I'll tell you guys how I like this. Oh, and another thing that I like about my mascaras is that I have to get my mascaras in the very most blackest, darkest shade. That's just my preference, so I did get the shade Very Black. This is what it finally feels like. I love the color of it. It's like a nice little lilac or lavender color. The mirror kind of effect on it, it's also very hypnotizing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening it up. Let's see what the wand looks like. So it is on the bigger side, I would say. It smells like a mascara. I don't know why I always have to smell my products, but if you know me, you know. So it looks like, yeah, a little bit on the bigger side, but I think it's gonna be just fine. So before we actually start applying it, I do want to show you what my eyelashes look like before I curl them and then before I put on the mascara. So I kept the eyeshadow pretty simple and neutral because of course I wanted the focus to be on the mascara. I added my wing because I always have to. These are my eyelashes before I curl them. So now I'm taking just my eyelash curler. We're going to curl them just like I usually would. I like to start on the base, then I move it up a little bit towards the end, go back to the base, and then you can already tell the difference between the eyelashes that are curled and the ones that are not. Now this is a close-up of my eyelashes after they're curled. our eyelashes are ready to finally put on this mascara. I am ready. Are you ready? So I'm just going to start applying like I normally would. So I start at the base and kind of wiggle it up. I like to take my time with my mascara. It's probably one of the things that I take the most time with in my makeup routine. Oh wow, okay, so I can see some length on them. Do you guys see that? Ah, and that's one coat. So now I'm going to do a coat on the bottom. You guys see? What a difference. I am liking it so far. It definitely gave me length, I can see. Let me do this eye and then we're gonna see how it looks like on both eyes with just one coat. So there you have up close and personal coat number 1. I am satisfied with one coat. I mean, that looks awesome, but I am the type of person that loves to go in with a second coat, and I am going to do that right now because that's what I do. What I usually do on my second coat is I like to kind of run it on the top of the lashes. So I'll roll it up on the top and then just do the bottom. So there you have coat number 2 here, and then there's still just one coat. So it did give it that second coat, I want to say a tiny bit more length, teeny tiny bit more length. And they do look darker with that second coat, so this is what I like. I like super bold and dark lashes. That's why I always go in with the second coat. So it does make a difference in my opinion. Here's an up close after 2 coats. The second coat really made a difference personally in the way I like it, so I do love them very bold, and so this is perfect. I am liking them so far. I do see that length. That second coat also gave it, surprisingly, it did give it a little bit of volume. I don't see any flaking as of yet. It does claim to be non-flaky, so we're gonna see how that holds up, because usually mascaras, you know, I do see a little flake or two. But let me know what you guys think of the initial application process, because I'm loving it. My eyelashes are I am big on lashes, so for them to look this good, I mean, come on. So we're going to go ahead and wear it throughout the day, and I'll be checking in with you guys at night so I can tell you my full thoughts and review on this mascara. And we are back now after a long day, a very long and hot day. Just so you guys know, just a little FYI, I have not touched up my makeup at all. The lips, the foundation, like nothing, I haven't touched it. So you guys can see at the end of the day, this is what I'm looking like. Well, the eyelashes still look very pretty. It held up nicely. I mean, that's why I do like the waterproof mascara. I'm telling you guys, non-waterproof mascara would have my eyelashes like way down right now. So you can see it did hold up the curl, and they're still looking very long. I'm going to be very nitpicky. I mean, I've never experienced a mascara that's completely flake proof, so I'm going to be very picky. And you can see, and I see it more on this side than on this. Wait, hold on. I don't see very much flakiness. I don't know if you can tell. It's like very tiny. A few, like I see 2 little very tiny black dots there. But if you look over on this side, I see a little bit more. So I got you guys really super up close. I'm sorry, but I just want to show you. Do you see that flakiness? But that flakiness is very easy to take off, so I can just kind of do that, and then it doesn't ruin my makeup. So completely non-flaky, no. But I mean, that's my experience with any mascara anyways. I did notice I don't have any smudge on top. You know, like sometimes, especially with people with more oily lids, you'll get like that smudge on your eyeshadow or like on your eyelid part. So I don't have any of that. That's good. That's impressive. Because sometimes, believe it or not, I do have that. Sometimes I'll come home after a really long day, or after I've been like sweating a lot, or it's been very hot, and I'll get like the smudge right here for some reason. I don't know why. I guess that's like where my eyelashes like touch on my eyelid, so I'll get like some black stuff here, and it looks kind of funny. But this mascara didn't smudge. That's good. I mean, that's pretty much it. That's my first impressions the very first day of me wearing this mascara. I am happy with it. Duh. Obviously, I love Maybelline mascara. I don't think I'm ever gonna like stop saying that. and I will forever recommend Maybelline mascara to, you know, anyone that I know, because it's been the best one that I've experienced. Did I like this mascara? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. I mean, you can like tell it's very, very obvious. I mean, it does give you that length. And again, this is with just 2 coats of this mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.